Expand your mind, for I am about to take your photography to the next level. Okay, that might be a slight exaggeration, but I am about to show you a cool hack to your camera strap. Once I get up. So tell me when you started having these dreams. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Okay, this is a little hack that I've been using on my own camera to make my strap a quick release strap. Now straight away you might be saying one of two different statements. Firstly is, why would you want a quick release strap? The reason being is that for the most part, I like having a strap on my camera. It makes it obviously easier to carry around. However, it can cause problems at times, specifically when I'm set up on a tripod wanting to do long exposure shots. Because kind of the whole point of using a tripod is you want the camera to be completely static for a period of time. Except if you have a strap hanging off your camera and it's quite windy, then this thing can keep swaying around and start to put vibrations through your camera that will affect the quality of your pictures. So then I tend to remove the strap from my camera to minimize vibrations. The problem I have with regular camera straps is they're an absolute pain to put on and take off, because you've got this little plastic clip that feeds onto the strap. You've then got to feed the strap through the loop on the camera and then feed it back through the plastic clip, and it can be quite fiddly to do, especially if it's quite cold, because either you can't feel your fingers or you've got gloves on and then you've got to take them off and then you can't feel your fingers. So it would drive me nuts sometimes trying to take the strap off and then put the strap back on, and in the end I just started wrapping the strap around the tripod in the hope that that stopped it vibrating. So that's point number one, why you would want a quick release camera strap. Point number two that you might have been stating is that you can already buy kind of purposely designed quick release camera straps already. So why would you want a DIY one? And that's true, there are a few different ones on the market already. Peak Design do one, I think Low Pro might do one. There's a few different ones, I can't remember exactly, but today I'm going to show you how to adapt your existing camera strap to be a safe and secure quick release camera strap for less than $5. So there's four things you're going to need to do this. Number one, a camera. Number two, a camera strap. Although hopefully you've already got those. Then there's two things you need to buy. The first is two metal rings off key rings. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't actually buy these. I already had them lying around on old spare key, so I just took them off that. If you did need to buy them, there's people selling them on eBay for all of about £1. So that's the first thing you're going to need. The second thing you're going to need to buy are two small carabiner clips. Now, I got these on eBay. A pair of these cost about £3. These are stainless steel quick release carabiner clips with a screw-on lock. So they're the four things that you're going to need, and putting them together is really straightforward. So the first thing you're going to do is take the key ring rings and your camera, and you're just going to feed these rings through the existing strap loops that are already on the camera body. I knew I shouldn't have cut my nails. Yeah. So once they're on and secure, that's that done. Then you need the camera strap and the carabiner clips. Now all you're going to do with these is strap the strap to the carabiner clip like you would normally put the strap on the camera. So feed it through, loop it over, feed it through the plastic clip, tighten it down, and the same with the other one. And that's it. You now have a camera strap with a quick release clip on either end, and then simply with the camera body, you clip one onto one end, one onto the other, crash into the camera, voila. So that's it. This is the exact setup that I now use on my camera. Obviously, this isn't my camera because I'm using my camera to film, so this is just a stand-in model. So that's it, my DIY quick release camera strap. If you have any questions or thoughts, the comment box is down below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Do you mind? No, wait. Away. Get. No. Go.